Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the product of one algebraic expression and another. And product means to multiply. So let's lay it out. We have 2x plus 3, and we have negative 6x squared plus 5x minus 1. What we'll do is something that is quite simple. We're going to take this term and we're going to use it to multiply everything in the second parenthesis, making sure to follow the laws of signs, as in how signs interact when they multiply. Let's go ahead. 2x times negative 6x squared. This 2 is going to multiply negative 6 to get negative 12. This x is going to multiply x to the second power to get x to the third power. And why do we have x to the third power? Because this is x to the first times x to the second gives x to the third. You add the exponents. Let's continue. We take the same 2x and we use it to multiply positive 5x. So 2 times 5, this 2 times this 5 gives 10. And x to the first, which is x to the first, right here, times x gives x to the second. So we end up with 10x to the second. Then we do the same thing with 2x and negative 1. See? 2x times negative 1 gives negative 2x. That takes care of the first part of the problem. Now, we are going to use the second item that is in the first parentheses, which is positive 3, to multiply everything that is in the second parentheses. Watch closely. We are going to do positive 3 times negative 6x squared. See? Positive 3 times negative 6x squared gives negative 18x squared. Negative 18x squared. Positive times a negative gives a negative. We're now going to do positive 3 times positive 5x. That gives positive 15x. And finally, we're going to do positive 3 times negative 1, which gives negative 3. If you notice, you will see that the like terms are lined up with each other. And we're going to combine them using that technique. So, negative 12x cubed doesn't have anything to add to or subtract from it. And so, we keep it as it is, negative 12x cubed. However, 10x squared and negative 18x squared are like terms, so they combine together to give negative 8x squared. And why does this happen? Because we are going to focus on the coefficients. Positive 10 minus 18 gives negative 8, and we just attach the x squared at the end. Next, we are going to do negative 2x right here plus 15x. Now, negative 2 plus 15 gives positive 13. You attach the x as before. Finally, negative 3 has nothing to go with it, so that is how it is. And if you see, look, you can see that the degrees, which is the exponents on the variable, are in descending order. There's an invisible 1 there. Actually, there's x to the 0, which is equal to 1 right here, to keep everything in order. So we actually have this in standard form, written from the highest degree, highest exponent, to the lowest exponent. And so our final answer is negative 12x cubed minus 8x squared plus 13x minus 3. Thank you so much. Don't get confused with this. That's just a placeholder, so to speak, okay? If you need, I could give a little clarification on that. I try to show students here that even though you have 3 by itself, it can be thought of as having 3 times x to the 0 because x raised to the 0th power, x raised to the 0th power can be thought of as 1. So 3x to the 0 is equal to 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. And that is how you can think of this as having an x there, but it's being raised to the 0th power, so it works out to be 1. And that's the end of this example, this lesson. Thank you so much.